So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting, right, for the week on our GBP JPY. Let's see what GBP JPY is actually going to be giving us for the week. But before we go ahead to predict what market is going to be doing for the week, right? If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with the trend. Remember guys, first thing first, before you take a trade, you need to know what the trend is, right? So what can you say the trend is on your GBPJPY? It is very clear that GBPJPY is in an uptrend move. We are what? In an uptrend move. Now take a look at this movement. If you have to zoom it in, this is our impulsive move, which did give us a series of higher high and higher low. Here comes a pullback phase, which is a pullback phase, right? Market then was able to give us another impulsive move. Here comes the pullback phase. Market then did push up again to give us another impulsive move, right? Here is the pullback phase. Market then did push up to give us another impulsive move. Here comes the pullback phase right here. Market then did push up to give us another impulsive move, right? Here is a pullback phase right here. So market did give us a pullback, right? Now this is the impulsive move that market did give us. Market push up to give us another impulsive move. This is what the pullback phase. Now that market has given us the pullback phase, we've been able to draw our trend line. You can see that every movement, market has been tapping our trend line. Once it tapped the trend line, it bounced up. It came again to tap this trend line and it bounced up, right? So market came close to tap this our trend line, close to it and it bounced up. Now market was able to come here to tap our trend line, bounced up. Now market has tapped our trend line also here. We will be expecting to bounce up. So this is a perfect opportunity to go in for the buy. To those that are not yet in the buy, you should look to go in for the buy. That is what you should be expecting. The bullish move is what you should be expecting on your GBPJPY. You should be expecting GBPJPY to actually give you the bullish move. Now let's zoom it in right here, guys. So this is the drop, which is a low. Here comes the lower high. Market has now dropped to form an equal low right here. You can see that it has formed an equal low. So we should be expecting market to reject and bounce up. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our GBPJPY. Now the thing is that could there be changes to this prediction? Yes, there's a possibility, but right now market is indicating a bullish move. But if there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So, but right here, this is our movement for the week, a bullish move. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. So this is it right here on the forward time frame. Multiple rejection at this zone, right? We had a rejection. We also had a rejection right here. Now market is at this level and we will be expecting a rejection from this level that will make market to eventually bounce up and possibly come to tap this high, thereby giving us an equal high. Possibly we are very much likely to break above it. So what I'm trying to say is that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our GBPJPY. Now, could there be changes to this prediction? Absolutely yes. There's a possibility that there will be changes to this. If there's going to be any changes to this prediction that we just did, right, I will make sure I give you updates and I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So if you did not want to miss out on the updates, it's very simple. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.